This week on XAUUSD, most traders are going to get trapped, and it's actually very clear why when you take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The first thing I always do at the start of a new trading week is identify where liquidity is sitting, because the market doesn't just move randomly, it moves with intention. So right now, I'm looking at last week's high and last week's low, and these areas are very important because that's where a lot of stop losses are placed. That's where retail traders are most vulnerable, and that's exactly what the market targets before making its real move. Now, if you look closely at the current structure, you'll notice that price is not just trending cleanly in one direction. It's actually setting up for a potential liquidity grab. And this is where most traders make mistakes, because they assume that the market will continue in the same direction without first taking liquidity from one side of the market. What I'm expecting this week is not just a simple continuation, but a setup where price moves into a key zone, takes out liquidity, and then reveals the true direction. That means I'm not interested in chasing price at these current levels. I'm more interested in waiting for price to reach areas where I know other traders are likely to get trapped. That's where the highest probability setups usually come from. Now, this doesn't mean I'm predicting the market blindly. It means I'm preparing for scenarios. If price moves into this zone here, I'll be watching closely for a reaction. Not just any reaction, but a specific type of behavior that tells me the market is ready to move. And if I don't see that, then I simply don't trade. That's something most traders struggle with, the ability to do nothing when there's no clear setup. Another important thing to understand is timing. It's not just about where price goes, but when it gets there. For me, I'm very focused on specific sessions, especially London, because that's where a lot of volume enters the market and where the real moves usually begin. So even if price reaches a key level, I'm not just entering immediately. I'm